Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down right away. Then click on Display. After that, scroll down one more time. Choose Font and select the best font style for you. I will go with If You Love. Now tap on Free. Click on Apply and wait. As you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access Display again, click on Font and select My Fonts at the top. Then click on Roboto one and tap on Apply. Then you need to select Reboot in this pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!